Oh, you've got a headache? Here, take this magic sugar pill. Oh wow, you feel better? Congrats, your brain just got scammed. But hey, at least it worked. That it's the placebo effect for you, your body getting tricked into healing itself by a glorified tic-tac. But how does this voodoo work, and why do we keep falling for it? Let's break it down before your brain realizes it's being played. Okay, so the placebo effect is basically your brain being the ultimate hype man. You take a pill that does absolutely nothing. No drugs, no special ingredients, just maybe some lactose and a prayer. But because you believe it's medicine, your brain goes, "Oh, we're healing now. Bet." And suddenly, your pain fades, your nausea vanishes, or your allergies clear up. It's like your body's version of fake it till you make it. And get this, the fancier the placebo, the harder it works. A sugar pill in a fancy blister pack with a Latin name, miracle cure, that same pill handed to you in a Ziploc bag, useless. Your brain's a sucker for packaging. Here's the funny part. Your brain isn't just pretending you feel better. It's actually releasing real painkillers like endorphins because it thinks help is on the way. It's like your body's emergency response team getting catfished by a sugar cube. Oh, the cavalry's here! Wait, is this just a mint? Too late, the endorphins are already out the door. And the placebo effect isn't just for pills. Get a fake surgery? Your knee pain might vanish. Wear a magnetic healing bracelet? Your arthritis could improve. Your brain's like, I don't know what this is, but it looks expensive, so it must work. Now, before you start replacing your meds with jelly beans, there's a catch. Placebos work best for stuff your brain controls, pain, stress, insomnia, but they won't shrink a tumor or fix a broken arm. Unless your brain's secretly a surgeon, in which case, congrats, you're the X-Men. Oh, and there's the nocebo effect, the placebo's evil twin. Tell someone a pill has side effects, and their brain will invent them. This pill might cause headaches. Boom, instant headache. Your brain's basically a drama queen with a medical degree. Want to weaponize this trickery? Here's how. Believe hard enough. Seriously, the more you trust the treatment, the better it works. Go fancy. A branded pill works better than a generic one. Your brain loves a good logo. Add rituals. Taking a pill at the same time every day. Your brain eats that up. Or just don't tell yourself it's fake. Ignorance is bliss, and also pain relief. So yeah, sugar pills can work, but only because your brain's a gullible genius. It's not magic. It's just your body being weirdly suggestible. Want to know why some placebos work even when you know they're fake? Or how doctors use this trick in real medicine? Subscribe so I can placebo affect you into watching more of my stuff. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go sell some healing crystals. They're just fridge magnets.